Morning class. Got a bit stir crazy inside. I figure we'll do some out in this nice sunny day. We're just going to do another review. This is for my third through fifth graders, so you can do this. You probably remember this lesson, but this is a good thing to keep up with. All these lessons are good ones to keep up on because they help you get further and further along. The more you work at it, the better you get at it. Okay. Now, first of all, we're going to do this. We're going to do an outside picture since we're outside. And what is that? This eye level, as you might have saw, is our horizon line. Okay, what is the horizon line? It's the line that separates the Earth from the sky. The sky is going to be up here. That means everything up here is going to be the sky or in the sky. So I can put a moon up here or a sun. That's going to be in the sky. Okay. Now, there are also what we call picture planes, as you know. We have a foreground, middle ground, and a background. Foreground, middle ground, background. Okay, everything in the foreground is big and at the bottom. You know that, right? So if I was going to do like a tree, this is the example I always do is this tree because it just helps us understand this. Okay, I'm going to do a big old tree here. Not the best tree. I'm going to erase that sun so you can kind of see. And that was that Y tree that I was showing you before. I'm going to do another tree though. I'm going to do it in the middle ground. Middle ground is the middle of the paper, okay? So this is big and at the bottom. It's the bottom part of the paper is the foreground. I'm going to write that word. Foreground. And share this with your parents too. Maybe your parents could, you might be frazzled. Maybe some of you guys could do together. Middle ground we're going to do like right here. And in the middle ground, everything is medium size. And it's in the middle of the picture. Big at the bottom, medium in the middle. This is the middle ground. All those birds outside my yard. And right over here is the background. The background is going to be tiny and near the top of the picture. Okay. Foreground, middle ground, background. Okay. And this is the background. Background. Wow. Now, foreground, middle ground, background. You see that? Erase that now. That's the background. Is tiny and near the top. It's medium and in the middle. And it's big and that's at the bottom. Foreground, middle ground, background. And each tree, it's kind of like that. Now, there's a neat little thing that happens because the background, what's always attached to the background is the horizon line. Like that word horizon line. Horizon line is always attached to the background because anything that's in the very back, it's on the horizon line or right at the horizon line. Horizon line. Now, there's a rule that says whenever anything goes from one picture plane, because this is our first picture plane, second and third, whenever something goes from one picture plane to another picture plane, it changes size. So if I started a road and it went from the background all the way to the foreground, the road will get bigger. But if it starts from the foreground and goes to the background, the road will get smaller. Does that make sense? And this is how you see the world, really. I'm going to put my sun over here now. All right. Now, a lot of you guys probably remember this lesson from before. So, oh, Mr. Mel, we've done this. But this is a perfect time to create a scene that you want to see. Okay. Maybe you could do a park or a forest. Some of you guys haven't done a forest yet. Okay. This is a perfect time to do a forest because you have plenty of time to do it now. So you could do trees that are in the foreground and in the background and just keep adding stuff. Okay. But this is a simple picture plane exercise. Foreground, middle ground, and background. Thank you.